we will see some of the 4-mark questions from the sample paper 2019. So the first question is, if sec theta plus tan theta equal to P, find the value of cosec theta. This question is from trigonometry. We have to find the value of cosec theta. For that, first we will write sec theta and tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. We know 1 by the sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta, and tan theta is nothing but sin theta divided by cos theta equal to P. So first we have replaced sec theta and tan theta with cos theta and sin theta. Now taking the LCM, I have 1 plus sin theta equal to P by cos theta. Now we can cross multiply this. So we have 1 plus sin theta equal to P cos theta. Now next step, I am going to square both sides because I have to find the value of cosec theta. Cosec theta is nothing but 1 by sin theta. Reciprocal ratio of sin theta is cosec theta. So I have to find the value of sin theta. So by taking the reciprocal, I will get the value of cosec theta. So I am going to square both sides. So squaring both sides, I have 1 plus sin theta the whole square equal to P square cos square theta. So 1 plus sin square theta means 1 square is 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta equal to P square into cos square theta. I am going to write 1 minus sin square theta. We are going to use the identity. We have used the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. The sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So when you take sin square theta to the other side, it will become 1 minus sin square theta. Also in the left side, we have used the identity a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So left side and right side we have simplified. Now I will open the bracket. 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta equal to P square minus P square sin square theta. Now bring the sin square theta to one side. So we have 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta plus P square sin square theta, then minus P square equal to 0. Everything I have brought to the left side. This I can write in the form of quadratic equation, that is sin square theta plus P square sin square theta I can simplify as 1 plus P square sin square theta. So I can write first this 1 plus P square inside the bracket sin square theta, okay, plus 2 sin theta. Now this 1 and P square is constant, so I can write 1 minus P square equal to 0. Now this has become in the form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where x, in the place of x we have sin theta, in the place of a we have 1 plus p square, in the place of b we have 2, and in the place of c we have 1 minus p square. Now using the quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, I am going to solve this equation. So we will get the value of sin theta, because in the place of x we have sin theta. When you solve this, we will get the value of sin theta. Taking the reciprocal of that, we will get the value of cosec theta. So the equation is minus b. So in the place of b we have 2 plus or minus square root of, the equation is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b square is plus 2 the whole square minus 4 into 1 plus p square into c is 1 minus p square divided by 2 into 1 plus p square. So when you simplify this, minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 4 into 1 minus p square divided by 2 into 1 plus p square. Because 1 plus p square into 1 minus p square is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, and a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So it is 1 minus p to the power of 4. So this again, when you open the bracket, minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4, 4 minus into minus plus p to the power of 4 divided by 2 into 1 plus p square. We can simplify this further. So we have minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 and 4 get cancelled, p to the power of 4 divided by 2 into 4p to the power of 4, because when you open the bracket both has to be multiplied. So 4p to the power of 4 into 1 plus p square. So which is again 2, the square root of 4 is 2. Take outside that 2. 2 plus or minus 2 square root of p to the power of 4 divide by 2 into 1 plus p square. So 2 we can take outside and we can cancel that 2. So we have minus this plus 2, when you take outside we have minus 1 plus or minus square root of p to the power of 4 is p square divided by 2, 1 plus p square. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this again we can divide into 2. The numerator will become 1 minus p square divided by 1 plus p square, and otherwise it is minus 1 plus p square divided by 1 plus p square. So if you take minus sign outside, for the first one I have 1 plus p square divided by 1 plus p square, so which is equal to minus 1. So one value of cosec theta is minus 1, because sin theta is minus 1, reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Again the other value is p square minus 1 divided by p square plus 1. These are the two values for sin theta. But when you find out the value for cosec theta, you have to take the reciprocal. So value of cosec theta will be p square plus 1 divided by p square minus 1. You have to take the reciprocal, and reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So for this question, first we have written in the form of sin theta and cos theta, then we have made it into a quadratic form, then using the quadratic formula we found out the value of sin theta. Last we took the reciprocal to get the value of cosec theta. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe it. In the upcoming videos, I will be solving more 4-mark questions from the sample paper 2019. Thank you.